Hi guys, hope you're all going really well. I have been gone for so long, but I am back for good, and today I'm going to be sharing a foot transformation with you guys. So I have been traveling for the last 2 months, and traveling means a lot of walking, and unfortunately I was wearing the wrong shoes. And I am in Pakistan right now, so it is muddy and dusty. So what happened to my feet is that they are so dry, so cracked, and my heels especially got really cracked. So during traveling, I got one of those scrubbing things, and I was trying to scrub my feet on a daily basis, but nothing fixed them. So I did this remedy, and oh my god, you guys are gonna be shocked. Within like 15-20 minutes, my feet are transformed, and of course Ina is over here, and she loves to be on the camera. She's such a little like vlogger. So if you guys want a foot transformation that works, seriously, this one has done wonders for my skin. And yeah, let's move right into it. Okay, so it's really gross, but I have to show you guys the before of my feet. So as you can see, they are so like, oh, I don't even know. My feet have never been this bad in my life. I usually do take very good care of my feet, and I really need a transformation. So to start off with, you want to soak your feet. So to soak your feet, you just need some hot water. I recommend like keep it as hot as you can tolerate. Like the hotter the better, because that's gonna soften your skin, and that's gonna get rid of the dry skin on your feet. So try to have a good warmness or hotness, I would say. If you have high blood pressure though, just keep it normal warm, and if you're pregnant, don't make it too hot as well. So what we want to do is we want to add Listerine to our foot soak. So this is going to be really shocking for you guys, because Listerine is a mouthwash, but Listerine actually has good acids that are gonna get rid of dead skin on our feet. The other thing you want to add is vinegar. So vinegar and Listerine together are going to like exfoliate your feet like anything else. They're so rich in acids, so they're gonna get rid of all that dead skin. And also, if there's skin that you're not scrubbing off, it will like get rid of that skin as well. The other thing we want to add to our foot soak is soap. So you can actually use any soap that you want. I'm just using this Dove soap that I bought from my local pharmacy, and I really like this soap. Like it smells really good, and I actually use it as a body wash at the moment, but you can use any soap. And what I did was I soaked my feet for 15 minutes. I know that's a while, but honestly, like the situation was bad. My feet were so dry, like I had to soak it for that long. But it's really up to you. If you want to soak it for less time, do it. But if your feet are as bad as mine, I would soak it for that long. Okay, so after soaking, what we want to do is mask and scrub. So there's a few masks that I recommend. I recommend any fruit mask. Fruit masks have good enzymes in it, and they're gonna really help get rid of dead skin as well, and really help with the renewal of your skin. We want glycolic acids. Like think of acids, guys. So if you don't have this exact scrub, you don't have to worry. You can use pineapple mashed up, you can use papaya mashed up, or you can use apple, banana and strawberries mashed up together. So these are the 3 other options that you can use. The other thing is, if you don't want to use these mask treatments, you can use like any other treatments. I have shared another hand and foot treatment in the past, and that is also great. First, we're going to apply the mask, leave it on our feet for about 5 minutes, and then this is the time that you're going to scrub away. So what I'm using is granulated sugar. Granulated is very important, guys, because it's really like coarse, and that's going to get rid of our dead skin. So I put the sugar on my feet and I scrubbed like crazy. I scrubbed for like 2 minutes straight, and then what I did was I washed my feet and I used a scourer to scrub again. I don't know if that's what it's called. It's just like a foot scrubber. And then after all, to finish off, what you want to do is you want to apply a treatment. Like any sort of treatment is fine, but okay, in Pakistan, this cream or this ointment is called Tibet ointment. So I'm gonna apply that because it smells so good. It smells like roses, and it reminds me of my grandma because she used to rub this on her feet like before she slept. The other thing I want to do is I want to manicure and cut my nails. So I'm gonna do that straight away. Cut my nails, file my nails, and I'm gonna paint my nails so they look really, really nice. And then we're gonna apply our foot balm. You can apply any foot cream, you can apply any foot treatment. Anything is good, but make sure it's a really thick cream. And then you want to sleep. Do this at night, put socks on, and you guys seriously send me your foot transformations because like after I did this I was shocked. My feet are so soft. They're like brand new feet, and oh my god. Okay, if your feet are really, really, really bad, do this 2 or 3 days in a row and you can thank me later. So please let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see next. I am back for good and I will be uploading regularly, so make sure you are subscribed and you hit that bell icon. And Inai over here is gonna say bye.
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 Bye.